This is probably the goofiest looking monkey, but also one of the most agile acrobats in the rainforest. Meet the Proboscis monkey, the Borneo's charismatic swinger. Proboscis monkeys are known for their peculiarly large, fleshy noses that hang down over their mouths, giving them a distinctive appearance. Their long, strong limbs and prehensile tail allow them to leap and swing through the treetops with remarkable grace and precision. Proboscis monkeys have unique vocalizations, with males emitting loud honks that can be heard from miles away, helping them establish their territory and attract mates. Despite their love for tree dwelling, they are excellent swimmers and often take to the water to escape predators or find food. Their charming appearance and fascinating behaviors make them a symbol of the rich biodiversity found in Borneo's rainforests. What do you think about their noses? Write in the comments.